Hey, what's up? So I have another unboxing video. This one's gonna be another hydration pack. So this one is the Raverunner by GenZ Hydration Pack. So the features are anti-theft, customizable, easy refills, and it has some of the add-ons, which is underglow lights, which is the light that just kind of goes under this little pouch here, light wire, and solar charge. This bag here, you can customize your own cover for your bags. I actually have my own, if you guys can see. It says Frisky Hug on top. I put a little zipper because I thought it was pretty cool to add onto a hydration bag. So for this one, it actually zips from the top and it goes underneath and around. So if you take that off, you're left with this side here, and looks like this is your refill. We will open up and we'll see the bladder later. For now, we'll go ahead and close that. I see another zipper here, so we'll go ahead and check that out. It's just a regular pocket. So it looks like you can unzip this and then zip down here, and you'll have another pocket there. Okay, so looks like this one comes with a side pouch on both ends. You got a zipper here. You got two pouches on the front, and then your zipper. Okay, there's a little small pocket there. So your main zipper is here. So there's one side for your bladder. So your bladder looks like so. And then there's some Velcro to help you kind of have a little top pocket as well. So we're gonna take a look at the hose. This looks to be a thicker version than the one that Vibration has. And to just close it, you could push it down, or I've noticed that you could just close it with the cap and it'll just lock. Okay, so I've opened up the back again, and on the top there was actually a little small pocket as well, and it looks like you can stick a cord through here and it'll come out through the front out here. Okay guys, if you guys are interested in more information about the Raverunner Hydration Pack, or you're interested in buying one, you can go ahead and take a look at it at the website. I will have that in my bio. Any other codes, anything like that will be in the description below. If you guys are going to Decadence, Arizona, I will be there. I will actually be helping the Raverunner Hydration team. Come say hi, let's trade some candy, let's take some pictures. Well, can't wait to see you guys. Bye.